Hi, my name is Pepper. I'm a vet tech. Today's phrase: My dog is coughing. My dog is coughing. This is one of the most common complaints we see at our hospital. Let's get into it. Hi, Lemon. How are you?
Hi, my dog is coughing.
Oh no. How long has it been going on?
Since last Saturday.
When do you usually notice her coughing? After exercise?
She's old, so she doesn't walk much. But when she sees other dogs or gets excited about food, she barks and then starts coughing.
Does she cough more at night?
No, not really.
Does it sound like a dry cough or a wet cough?
It's dry. It sounds like she's trying to gag, but nothing comes out.
I see. Does she go to dog parks, daycare, grooming, or boarding?
Yeah, she goes to grooming, but not dog parks. She doesn't like other dogs.
Okay. Did you notice any discharge from her nose?
No.
Do you happen to have a video of her coughing?
Yes, I do.
That's very helpful actually. You can show it to the doctor. These are common questions we ask when the dog is coughing. That's it for today. See you at the clinic.